Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura MDX key fob. This key fob was used between 2014 and 2018 and uses one CR2032 battery. You can get this battery on Amazon. I've put a link down in the description for you to get it. It's just a couple bucks. And then you can follow along at home, do the whole thing by yourself. The only other tool you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. So the first step is to flip it over, find the lever on the back, push it, hold it down, and just pull out this internal key. Now, staying on the back, we're going to put a tool in between this metal thing for the key ring and the lip, the edge on the back here. I'll show you. There's a little space in between these two. That's where we're going to put our tool. So you're going to come and you're basically just going to wiggle it in until you feel that it's secure. And again, coming on the back side of this thing. Once you feel that it's secure, you're going to twist hold it firmly, but twist just gently until you feel a little pop. And that's a separation being created on the side. Now I want you to come in on the side with your tool and just insert it in. Just like we were doing before, you're going to insert it into that space and twist, move down a little bit, twist, and the two things will come apart just like that. That's the way to do it to keep it. You don't want to damage it, so just take it slow, be gentle. Same thing here. We're going to come under the battery from this side, just being slow and careful. Just try to get under your battery, and once you do, just with a little twist, it'll pop out. Take a new CR2032, make sure the positive side with the battery info is facing up, just like this. You can start to slide it in like that, and then click the other side down, and it will sit flush in there and will be secure, and you've done it. All that's left to do is just to click these two back together, make sure the the light comes on, and you're good to go. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and if you'd like a full guide on this key fob or any other Acura key fob, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.